Hi, my name is Sabine. I'm the Community Engagement Officer and I'm here with Amanda, our Health Promotion Officer. Welcome, Amanda. Welcome to our lovely community and thank you for tuning in again to this time our summer edition of our monthly newsletter, in which we provide just a brief update of what's happening during the months of December and January. Hi Amanda, thanks for joining me again.
Sabine.
Now we're almost at the end of a challenging year. Can you believe that 2021 is just around the corner?
No.
It's gone quickly, hasn't it? Now our community and the whole of Victoria has been absolutely fabulous, keeping us all safe, but we still have to be vigilant, don't we, Amanda?
Definitely. So as we in the community get more freedom in our movements, this does mean a higher risk of possible community transmissions. And so it will be a little longer before regulations ease within the healthcare service. But this also means that some of our services, like social support group, that will remain on hold for the remainder of the year, but exercise classes continue to run in small groups in a COVID-safe manner though. Our allied health services like physio, speech, x-ray, private podiatry and our Well Women's Clinic all continue to run with still those COVID-safe restrictions. Theatre, respite and dental also continue.
And it looks like strict screening will be with us for a while just to keep our customers safe.
Absolutely. So as restrictions ease, wearing a mask offers that important extra layer of infection control. We still have strict screening process in place when entering the health service. And the important message is still, even if you have mild symptoms, please get tested and stay at home while you're waiting for those test results. That's really important. Testing can be done at our healthcare service by calling 555 86 000 or the Timberland Clinic by calling 555 86 088. The Department of Health and Human Services has put into place a call to test service, which gives vulnerable people within the community that aren't able to visit a testing site the option of getting tested at home. To find out if you're eligible for this service, please call the coronavirus hotline on 1800 675 398 and select option 9.
Yeah, that's a great extra incentive for people still to get tested who can't get tested.
There's no excuse.
No, that's exactly right. And it is that time of year again when men in Australia grow all beardy for the welfare of people with bowel cancer, and that's Decembeard. And this annual charity event, which runs for the whole month of December, will see dads, husbands, sons, uncles and grandpas tossing the razor out of the window to raise money to support bowel cancer patients and their families and caregivers. It is a very important event, isn't it, Amanda?
Definitely, and bowel cancer is very prevalent. It's actually the second most deadly cancer in Australia, which is more common in men and women over the age of 50. Good news is that when detected early, it's most of the time treatable. That is why seeking medical attention at the first sign of the disease comes to the foreground of Decembeard. Australians aged 50 to 74 can avail of the National Bowel Cancer Screening Program. That's the fecal occult blood test. For free, every 2 years it will get sent to you. Those who have a family history of the disease or manifest symptoms are urged to actually undergo a colonoscopy, either here at TDHS, or you can book an appointment with the Timberland Clinic by calling 555 86 088 to get a referral.
Yeah, very important message, isn't it? Now, very exciting news. Our Summer Quarterly has just been released. It's a new one for the months of December, January and February. Now, this time we've put the focus in this issue on TDHS working together with local emergency services for a safe and healthy community message during our summer season. Which community services are featuring in this issue, Amanda?
Well, it's very full actually, Sabine. So it's another very informative quarterly, with this time featuring Chris Stewart, the Timberland Ambulance Team Leader and TDHS Board Member, providing first aid advice for some common summer hazards. It also features David Banks, Port Campbell Police Sergeant, who is also a local CFA and SES member, with a summer plea that a place of last resort is for when all else has failed. That's a very important message. A bit hard to get your head around.
Yeah, it is, but it's all explained in Quarterly, so it'll be out in the Cobden Timboon Coast Times on Wednesday, and it'll be around Timboon and Port Campbell and Simpson for people to grab a copy and have a read. Also, water safety is very important again this summer, isn't it, Amanda?
So true, Sabine. Local community member Casey Buck has her personal story in our Quarterly, and she reminds us how quickly things can change around water safety, something we can all learn from.
Yeah, so quickly had to see how things can go wrong, don't they? And also some caring advice from Hayley, social worker, and Emily, our dietitian, to be mindful but still be jolly this season. Yes,
so they kindly remind our community that it's okay if this Christmas feels a bit different, because it probably will, and that after a year like no other, catching up with family again may be a bit overwhelming experience for some people.
Yeah, it could easily be, couldn't it? It's good to see family, but as we've been socialising, it's a bit of a different experience this year. Now, as 2020 is just around the corner, and the New Year's resolutions will be coming again, and we might have put on a few COVID kilos. Any health advice on how we can get back on track without that huge commitment, Amanda?
Well, we have this program called the Life Program, which is under Diabetes Victoria. It's a free healthy lifestyle program that helps you improve your eating habits, physical activity and stress management. For more information about this program, call 555 86 000 or see your GP for a referral.
Okay, that'll be great. A great incentive to get a bit healthier in 2021. Thank you, Amanda, for highlighting some of our summer calendar events, and of course you can find a more detailed what's on calendar on the back of our Quarterly as usual, and like I said, that can be found around Timboon and Port Campbell and Simpson, and also on our website. Now, I would also like to invite you to our annual general meeting, which is due to Healthcare Services COVID Safe Plan is all virtual, so it won't be held here at the Healthcare Service. It's held on Thursday the 17th of December through a live stream broadcast, and it'll be a virtual tour through our 2019 and 2020 financial year. And we also have interviews with Fiona Brew, our CEO of Colac Area Health, and Ruth Vine as well, who will be talking about mental health challenges we all faced during this pandemic. Now, because it's all virtual, we would like to ask those community members that are very handy with computers and online events to assist others within the community in a COVID-safe manner, of course, but just to help them out if they do want to join us online. But otherwise, the recording will be made and that will be available after the event. If you want to RSVP, to get a link to the live stream broadcast, just give us a call on 555 6029, and also if you want a recording of the event after. Thank you so much again for joining us, and please check our social media for lots of inspiring stories over the next couple of months. And TDHS board and staff would like to wish you and your loved ones a safe and Merry Christmas, and may 2021 be a year filled with good health, warmth and togetherness. And the message as usual, stay apart, stay safe and stay kind this summer. Thank you. Thank you, Amanda.
Thanks, Sabine.